This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your search history on the Instagram app. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone opened up now. To clear your search history in the Instagram app, the first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3 Bar Hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. From here you'll go to Your Activity. Then you'll scroll down a little ways, and right here, Recent Searches, you want to tap on that. And to clear your recent search history, you want to tap on Clear All. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to clear your search history? Just tap on Clear All. And that is how you delete your recent search history in the Instagram app. Thanks for watching.